Are you excited, Josie?
Yes, ma'am.
What are we going to see?
Lily.
What's Lily going to do?
She's gonna dance.
She's going to dance? Is she going to sing too?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Are you excited to see your sister in her program?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Woodrow, you excited about seeing sister perform? Yeah? Looking forward to the show? You got your snacks? You ready to go, huh? Yeah? Yeah, you are. You ready to go, Wood? Excited? Can you wave? Alright, Woodrow, very excited about the show. More snacks, please. Wow.
Hey, Lily's mom and dad.